the key, okay, let me give you a job. Guys, please help me. I can do this alone. For those who have the key, or the car keys or motorcycle key, your job tonight is to never let anyone from your table leave without, okay? Without even, or with, of course, until the end of this program. Bawal umuwi, okay? Your job is to stop them to go home. Now, how about the person or the people holding the plants? Well, your job, you will be your bartender for that group, okay? Your job is to pour wine will be served later on, or any drinks, okay? And the third thing, the third person who has the handkerchief or the table napkin. Okay, pakitaas, okay. Oh yeah, okay. Your job, you have the toughest job for this celebration, okay? So you will be, until the end of this program, you will be here because you will be helping the catering services to clean the entire house. Your job is to, again, remind everybody to please make this celebration an unforgettable one. Alright, thank you people, you will take your seats. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, okay, let me first introduce to you the people behind the success of this program. Guys, these people, this celebration won't be possible without these people. So I'm going to mention the comments them one by one. Now, guys, I need your participation. Whenever I mention, whenever I call someone, let's give them a round of applause. Let's do some practice. Say it out. Let's do practice. Ladies and gentlemen, Juan de la Cruz! Yung pag-bukong yung mga guests.